Hey guys, hope you're good. So you've all been going nuts in the DMs about the apron. So now is your chance to buy because officially Hand Merch has launched today. Go check out our new website. You can buy it online there. The aprons are such good quality. Even a little pocket there.
And for all the man them that know about the cooking thing, yeah, king of the Dutch pot. You know how it stands. We just sit on our front. Don't block up the thing. What are you doing, man?
We've also got Queen of the Dutch pot. We have You're the Fondant to my ganache. There's so many aprons to choose from, different colours.
Let the man them know about the G's. Everybody thinks that they're a G nowadays, you know, like that. So, oh, we've got cards for you as well.
We've got graduation cards. We've got aprons that match the mugs. We've got designs for our hijabi sisters, our Asian sisters, our Afro sisters.
Everybody can get something.
One for the lovers.
For the man them, say no more in it.
And have you ever seen a Mendy card that's so beautiful? Like, look at the vibes. So go log on now. We've even got a whole range of cakes that you can buy online directly. Get a cake with a card, get a cake with an apron. Go check it out and see what you think. Because everyone's going to be wearing these soon, you know.
You know how the thing's set. And strike, pose. Idiot.
I can't believe you did that.